Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to conduct a parallel circuit, how to make one. So watch and learn. So first, we have to gather the materials needed for the said experiment. What are the materials needed? Of course, we need power source. So we have the batteries. We need batteries as power source of our parallel circuit. Of course, we need also bulb as the load. Bulb, of course, with sockets. So this one are the sockets. And we need also connecting wires or connectors to connect all the materials needed. And you can make use of switch. Switch can be optional in making your parallel circuit. We need also electrical tape to fix and put in place all the materials needed. We need also a screwdriver in the said experiment. So let's start to make a parallel circuit. First, we have to get the socket. We can already put the bulb. Then, we have to prepare the wires. We can prepare the wires by cutting in the wires into pieces. We need 6 pieces of wires to connect to make an electrical circuit. For us not to break the bulb, we can get the socket first, then attach the wire. So how are we going to remove the plastic on this wire? Of course, with the use of a plier, or we can make use of a cutter to remove it so that the copper wire can be seen, and this will be attached to the screw here in the socket, just like this. This one, it is being attached well. So we can do it by removing first the screw using the screwdriver. Then after that, you are going now to attach the wire here on this socket. Do it tightly, and of course with the help of the, what's this? A screwdriver. Okay, do it tightly, just like this. Okay, so you did it well already. So just like this, you need to prepare 2 like this to make a parallel circuit. It's optional whether you're going to make use of 3 bulb with socket, or you can make use of only 2. So you can have like that. Then put the wires again here. Connect the wire here. Connect the wire. Then connect it tightly here. Then after that, get another wire to connect this edge of the wire to this part. So just like that, connect it. Of course, screw it here first. Okay, let's screw it here. Then connect it here again. Connect it here again. Let's presume, or let's pretend that they are all connected. Then after that, get another wire on this side, another wire on this side with the use of this. We can have this, we can cut this with the use of a cutter or with the use of a scissor. Then remove the plastic. Then connect it here. Then after that, we can get our battery, just like that. Okay, so to show you the connected wires, look at this. It was connected here. This is one. Then connected here again. connect all the wires together. Connect all the wires together. Then put the battery here. Put the battery. Switch can be optional. But if you would like to put a switch, you can put it here in this area. So it depends on your plan or your design on how to make a parallel circuit. Why is this parallel? Let's try to discover. I'm going to put now the bulb here and try to find out why this is a parallel circuit. Let's see if the electrons will flow. With the use of the battery, let's see, do it tightly, connect it. Let's see if it will light. Let's get the energy from the power source, and this is your battery. Okay, you see? Oh, you notice it? Oh, you see? This is a parallel circuit. Let's remove the bulb. Let's see what will happen. Still, the other bulb is lighted. Why? Why is it lighted? Because we call this circuit as a parallel circuit. There is a flow of electrons or electricity going to the power source, even without this connection. So what if I will remove this one? Will this bulb light? Let's see. I will remove this. Yes. Why? Because they have their own path. You notice that they have their own path going to the power source. That's why we call this as a parallel circuit. What makes it different from the series? The series, they have only one path. There is a single path. But for parallel circuit, they have two or more paths. What is the advantages? If the other one is busted, the other one can still produce light. But for the series, if one is busted, the others will not light anymore. The only disadvantage here, you need more wires in order to produce parallel circuit. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Okay, put down your comments below if you have more suggestions, if you have suggestions. I challenge you kids to make one parallel circuit. Good day and God bless.